think I see y'all edges in the Hudson River over there because... So PATRICKSTARRR and MAC have done it again. This is the new collection. This is PATRICKSTARRR and MAC Me So Fleek. This would be a beautiful backdrop. Like, hi. It does come with a face chart, which is gorgeous. And I love the look on this face chart. So this is the eyeshadow quad from the collection that I picked up. It is in the Play With Me. This is the name of it. It's called Play With Me. I did wear this one yesterday, so I already know how gorgeous it looks on the eyes. It looks so beautiful. There's also a powder blush duo called Take Me Home. Again, the packaging is just stunning, you guys. I love the packaging. This is the inside. It looks so beautiful. And lastly, there are 2 lip products in this collection. There's a gloss and then there's a lipstick. This is called Queen P. So the lip gloss is called Queen P and it's a beautiful bright pink color. The lipstick, it is called Hey Boy Hey, which is bomb. I love the coloring of this whole collection. I can't wait to throw it on my face right now so you guys can see what it looks like on. And so we're just gonna get started with the video. I'm gonna take the pink with this Makeup Geek blending brush. This is a soft dome brush. I love these Makeup Geek brushes. They're so good, you guys. And start blending out this pink shade into my crease. So I'm going to take the blue next, and I'm going to start applying this into my crease. See, I'm getting some fallout, so I'm going to apply some powder to catch it. The last thing you need under your eye is some blue eyeshadow because there's no going back. Like, you can't recover. So when you blend the blue into the pink, you kind of get this purple color, which makes sense because blue and pink make purple. So you do get this beautiful purple shade, and it kind of creates a gradient from the pink to the blue, which is super, super gorgeous. So I'm going to use this shader brush from Makeup Geek. It is a foiled eyeshadow brush. Alright, so that's basically the eye look. I'm going to apply some of the, I think this shade to like the inner tear duct and just kind of see how it pulls together going on there. And this shade is perfect for that. Alright guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and use the blush. This is Take Me Home. The packaging is so... it's so beautiful, you guys. I just literally can't. Alright, so I'm going to take the deeper shade of the blush. Just one down. Beautiful. Now I'm going to apply the lip products because I'm going to start with the lipstick and I'm going to put the gloss over top. This is a retro matte, so it's mattifying. The retro mattes are one of my favorite MAC formulas, so I'm happy that this is this formula. I'm going to apply the gloss now. Oh my gosh. Hold on to your edges. This gloss is, oh my goodness. I think I see y'all edges in the Hudson River over there because this gloss is amazing. So this is the entire look. I feel like this will make you look like a Barbie. Like you will look like a doll with this collection. It just looks so beautiful and stunning. I am so impressed, you guys. I'm so impressed. I thought I loved the first collection, but I think this collection I just adore so much. I love it. And I did use the powder from the original collection in this video as well, so that's like, you know, a 2-in-1, you know. But I love this. This is so beautiful. I love this entire look, and I think it would work on various skin tones. Don't be afraid of the colors because I think they look so gorgeous, and I think any skin tone can wear it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.